How to check current password on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can check your current Facebook password on your phone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first off, to tell you directly, Facebook doesn't show your password directly for security reasons, but you can still find it if it's saved in your phone password manager. So to find it, just open your phone settings. And now here, once you are inside the settings, simply scroll down or you can simply tap on the search bar at the top and simply search for Google Password Manager. And here, if you don't find it, you can either scroll down to the bottom and tap on Google. And now here, once you are inside the Google, you simply have to scroll down and tap on Password Manager. And now here, inside the Password Manager, you simply have to scroll down and tap on facebook.com. And now here, inside the facebook.com, you may just tap on the password field and there you can see your password and use it to log in anywhere. And that's it. That's how you can check your current Facebook password on your phone. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.